Language teaching. Um, Teachers teach English like in different situations. For example, in countries where English is not the official language, it is taught as a English as a foreign language. In countries where the first language is English, students can learn English as a second language. And also, uh, many countries have English as their native and official language. When we are talking about EFL, it means that it's English as a foreign language. So, in many countries, students are learning a foreign language, in this case English, and they are learning a general English. It means that they are just learning reading, writing, speaking, listening in a general way. However, the present activity is going to be focused on English for a specific purpose, which means that it's better to learn English when we have a purpose, and it can be seen in different fields like um, business and economics, medical studies, technician, social studies, academic purpose, teaching, science and technology. English for a specific purpose is important because it's better to use with other learners since they have already understood what their needs are, so they are going to look for vocabulary, to look for activities that are going to help them in the field that they are going to master at the end. And of course, all the information and resources available are in English. In general, English for specific purposes is a good way to learn and to apply, especially when we are working with other learners.